Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add red tones to your images using Lightroom Mobile. If you are new here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Here are few examples of before and after of this preset. Without further ado, let's start editing. Go to Light. Increase contrast to +50. Increase highlights to +10. Increase shadows to +15. Increase whites to +10. Decrease blacks to -15. Go to curve. Follow the steps. Go to color. Change the value of vibrance to +15. Change the value of saturation to +10. Go to color mix. Go to red color. Change the values of hue to -9 and saturation to +25. Go to orange color. Change the value of saturation to -50. Go to green color. Change the values of hue to +1 and saturation to -20. Go to Effects. Change the value of texture to +20. Change the value of clarity to +30. Change the value of dehiz to +20. Change the value of vignette to -5. Change the value of feather to 70. Go to split tones. Highlights, hue to 340, and saturation to 10. Shadows, hue to 340, and saturation to 5. Go to Details. Change the value of sharpening to 15. Change the value of noise reduction to 20. Change the value of color noise reduction to 10. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more editing contents and presets. If it helped you, do give video a like and let me know in the comments. We'll see you in next video. Stay tuned.